Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Atlas crate, and I'm excited. You guys know how much I love the Atlas crate, so I'm excited to open this up and to see what we have in store for us this month. So if you're new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to do curriculum and organizational ideas, and ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open this crate. So this one's about the Netherlands. I've been there once. Well, I've been to the airport, so I don't know if that really counts, but I was there just one time. It says, make a spinning windmill, create art like Van Gogh, and experience the Netherlands. So let's open this up and see what we have. So on top, per the usual, we have our little cards that are there for us to enjoy and to do a whole bunch of activities and try to speak. I don't know what they even speak in the Netherlands, guys, Danish. Anyways, and so that's maybe that, saying hello, I don't know. I need to really work on my geography skills or something. I'm not really sure. So when you open up this pouch, again, it has an activity you can do here. I think we just dropped the sticker that goes in our book, but that's okay. So it has the picture of Amsterdam, not Amsterdam, that's where I've been. The picture of the Netherlands right here. And then again, on the back, they always have a fun, just kind of history or activities they do there. And then we always have our little friends that kind of go on our trip with us, and it has things on the back of this one that they've done. And then tulips, you know, that's what, Netherlands tulips, that's what you know. So it has a whole bunch of things about tulips. And then the dike system, which these types of things are so fascinating. It's amazing that what they can do. I don't know, it's so cool. And then there's a game. I don't know how you say that, but it looks like you're knocking over cans or something. We'll have to check it out. And then some cookies, it looks like, on this one. So lots of fun activities and extra information there. And then we have our windmill instructions right here. And then our Starry Night artwork, which looks kind of like it's made with yarn, but I'm not completely sure. And then, so we have some of our stickers. This is probably for Starry Night, it looks like. And I don't know what all these things are. There's just a lot of pieces, probably for the windmill. And then, yep, here is some yarn. So the Starry Night thing is made with some yarn. So these are already cut into little pieces. So we have the green, and then we have some blue and yellow and white. So this will be interesting. I don't even, my kids are gonna love that. It'll be interesting to see how easy it is for them to do it in a group. I think this is the bottom of the windmill. I'm not really sure. And then we have all these pieces right here and some more windmill pieces. All the windmill pieces are coming out. And then this is for our Van Gogh. I could just put my picture there. This looks kind of artsy, right? It's all blurry. And some more windmill. This is like really good cardboard is what I'm trying to say. And then this must be for the picture as well. It's foam, but it looks like it is a sticker on the back. So that's what's in this crate. I'm excited again. You know, I love this crate. I'm just excited to see how this month goes and exploring the Netherlands. So we're gonna get at it, and I will let you know how it goes. Hi, so we finished the Atlas crate, and I know I always say this, and I know you guys are sick of hearing it, but it was so much fun. I'm totally impressed with it. It was great. So let me hold up the little crafts we made. So we made this windmill, and the kids thought it was a lot of fun. They were able to just take turns and do the different parts, and then if you blow it towards this part, I don't know what these are called, but then it will go around in a circle. So my kids took turns blowing it. Some of them could blow it a lot easier than others. Some of them, it sounded like they were gonna hyperventilate, but we made it through and they had a lot of fun. And I just thought, like, it turned out super cute and it's very sturdy. Like, it really is quite sturdy. So it'll be fun to have it displayed in our homeschool room for a while. And then the other thing they got to make was this Van Gogh yarn art. And it actually turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. The picture on the pamphlet, you know, theirs looks pretty nice, but that's what you expect from a pamphlet, is for it to look really nice. So I didn't know if we were gonna achieve this kind of niceness, but I thought we did a good job and it really worked well in a group. So if you're worried about that, I thought it went well. My kids just took turns. My daughters were working on it together. I helped them a little bit. And then you take off the top part first, and then you take off the bottom because you're doing different colors. And so my son helped a little bit with the bottom, and we did circles up here at the top. If you can tell, it kind of goes around. And then the bottom, we just did it in lines. And so that's what we did. It gives some different suggestions of ways you could shape the yarn to make it look different. So I thought it turned out really great, and it has a little stand on the back so it can sit up. So that was a lot of fun. My kids really enjoyed all this. So we are going through the pages for this book. So I put them in our booklet right here and put our little sticker in here for the Netherlands. It's right here. And so as we were going through the pages, my kids saw the recipe for cookies back here at the back, and they wanted to make them. So this is the picture that they have of the cookies. And so I looked through the ingredient list and I was like, oh, we can do this. And usually on Tuesdays, we try to do some sort of cooking or baking thing together. And so we made the cookies, and here they are. I don't want to tip it too far because they'll fall off the plate. But I thought they turned out really cute. The almonds you put on the top are supposed to be shaped like a windmill. So I thought that was really cute. And they make your house smell like Christmas. So it's Christmas in July. How great is that? Because they have orange zest in them. They have some cinnamon and nutmeg and cloves. So kind of those fall Christmas flavors. So they would also be just a fun Christmas cookie to make. But if you want Christmas in July, you gotta make these cookies. And they have a really good flavor. They're like a shortbread, but a little bit more biscuity, I guess, than shortbread. They're not quite as buttery as you would get from a normal shortbread, but still really delicious. These are kind of cookies that I love to eat because I can eat a lot of them. I'm not a huge sweet person, and I don't like stuff being super sugary, but stuff that's just mildly sugary and crunchy, I just love. So these were delicious. I thought it was a great recipe, and my daughter loved them. She doesn't like anything, mostly. She'll have some sweets, but even chocolate, sometimes she's like, it's too sweet for me. And so she actually ate these, and I was very surprised because, like, orange zest, she doesn't like oranges. Sometimes she likes cinnamon, but add other things in, it's not so good. So I would recommend this recipe. It's very simple. The only thing that takes a while is the dough has to sit in the fridge for about 3 hours, or you could do it overnight and then cut them up and bake them. But it was super simple, and I had some helpers help me make the dough and some helpers help me decorate them because you put the almonds on them right before you put them in the oven. So that was a lot of fun. And we didn't do any of these activities that I had kind of seen in the front, and it's 3 activities. Originally, I just thought it was one big thing, but these are some activities they do at one of their parties, I guess. And so this one, you're trying to get a nail in the bottle. You're trying to eat a cookie here, but we've done that with donuts before. So, and then you're trying to knock over the cans here. So that would be really fun to do together as a group, or, you know, get together maybe as a family and do something fun. I don't know, a party, a party visit to the Netherlands, especially right now when you can't really visit very many places very easily. You could just create the experience in your house. So I really love this crate. I thought it was a lot of fun. It worked well as a group and having all my kids participate. And I'm really looking forward to next month. just really enjoy this crate. I think it's well thought out and well done and has activities for everyone. It has a lot of good information. So if you enjoy seeing these kind of videos, give me a thumbs up and we will see you next time because I'm gonna go eat my cookies.